Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make wood furniture polish. Someone had asked me, when I was doing my cleaning supply haul, oh, I didn't see you pick up any furniture polish. Well, that's because I make my own. So I'm going to show you the recipe that I use, okay? Now first you want to get a spray bottle, and I have a funnel here. Now what you want to do is you want to take about a cup of vinegar, pour that in, a cup of hot water, about half a cup of lemon juice. And this is, if you like the lemon scented stuff, you know what I mean? But you can also use essential oils if you'd like. And now you want to take some olive oil. This is going to be 8 tablespoons of olive oil. I lost count. Was that 8? It's terrible. Oh my goodness, that's bad. Then you want to take some Dawn dish soap, because oil and vinegar and water do not mix. And then just put the sprayer lid on and shake it up. And that's it. I'll get a rag and I'll bring you over there to the living room so you can see. What I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just going to spray this on here. Now this really does a good job. It really does. Did my arm get in the way? I'm sorry. And you can smell the lemon. It smells good. So, but yeah, that's it. I mean, it's a really, it's just a really good, cheap way of making furniture polish. It really is. And I've been doing this for a while, and actually, when Sean and I, oh my God, this is going back, holy cow. Let's see. 5 years ago, Sean and I had another living room set. We had leather couches. God help me, I hated those damn things. But we did. We had leather couches, and I actually used this to clean the leather couches because, having animals, the leather couches would get like, how in the creases of the leather couches, you would actually get like dirt in the leather. So this would actually work and clean the leather couches too. So, I mean, you would have to wait to sit on it like for about an hour until it dried so you didn't get oil on your clothes. But I mean, unless you sit on your couch all day, which I don't think any of us do, you know what I mean? But it's, it's just a really good way of, cleaning your wood furniture, and also it works on leather couches to clean them up, freshen them up, you know what I mean? Spot cleaning on leather furniture. So, but that's it. That's all for this short video. I just wanted to show you how I make furniture polish for wood, and also, you can use it on your leather couches too. Okay, guys, I love you. See you in the next one. If you need to get a hold of me, you know how to get a hold of me. Keep prepping. Stay safe. Bye.